We have been asked to simplify this complex fraction, so the first question we have to ask is which type? Well, we only have one term in the numerator, but in the denominator we have two terms. Therefore, the second method would be easier. So, we need to find our LCD, which means factor all denominators only, and multiply every term by the entire LCD. Well, these denominators are not factorable, so let's start building our LCD. Well, from this first expression we need x plus 5. And of course we need x plus 5 here too, but we already have it. And this one has a denominator of 1, so that's already there as well. So let's multiply every term by the entire LCD. So x plus 5 here. And since we're multiplying by a fraction, we're going to put a 1 under it. X plus 5 here. And again, we're multiplying by a fraction, we'll put a 1 under it. Here, however, putting a 1 would make it look more difficult. We don't need that. There's no fraction here. Let's cancel common factors. So here we have x plus 5, and in the numerator we're just left with 4. Here we can cancel x plus 5, and in this term we're left with 4. Be careful, we have a minus 24. So negative 24x and negative 24 times 5 is going to give us a negative. And well, if I were multiplying by 10, I'd get 240. I'm multiplying by half of that, so it's 120. Okay, so we have 4 over, let's rearrange. We have negative 24x and negative 116. Well, let's see. Can we factor that denominator now? Well, I know I'm going to factor out a negative. And I can see a common factor of 4. I'm not sure if that's the largest or not. I'm going to be left with a positive 6x plus, remember, everybody changes signs now. Let's see, 4 goes into 11 twice. That's 8, so that leaves 36, so 9. That was the largest because there's no common factor left. And now, let's cancel common factors. Well, 4 goes into 4 once, 4 goes into 4 once. So I get 1 over negative 6x plus 29. Not very nice. I'd rather put that negative either out front or up top. And I am done. Either answer is correct.